My name is Shrinesh Balasubramanian. I'm a second year student of the Department of Chemical Engineering enrolled in its dual degree course. I am from Bengaluru. I'm a resident of Meghnad Saha Hall of Residence. I'm contesting for the post of General Secretary Sports and Games, Technology Student Gymkhana, Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur for the academic session 2013-2014.
Shinesh, you may continue with your SOP.
During my stay at IIT Kharagpur, I've been actively involved in various spheres of extracurricular activities, namely tennis, dramatics, debate, and chemical innovation. All these have added to my experience and confidence, giving me the requisite self-belief and self-reliance to take up a position of responsibility. Sports have always been an integral part of my life, having started playing tennis at the age of 6. To start with some of my major achievements, I represented Andhra Pradesh in the Under-14 Nationals. I won the doubles title and was runners-up in the singles event at the All India Tennis Association Talent Series. I secured 9th position at the Asian Juniors Tennis Tournament. Here at campus, I started with winning the Freshers Tennis Tournament and a gold in the Open IT Tennis Tournament. In my second year, I won the Midnapur Open and a bronze in the Open IT Tennis Tournament. For the past 2 years, I've been a playing member of the Inter-IT tennis team. The efforts put up by the team paid off this year when we won the silver medal at the 48th Inter-IT Sports Meet. A medal in this event comes after a dry span of 7 straight years. I am currently the Secretary, Tennis Subcommittee, Technology Student Gymkhana. I was a part of the bronze medal winning Open IT Dramatics team and bronze medal winning Inter-Hall tennis team of Meghnad Saha Hall of Residence. Apart from this, I am currently a co-organizing team member of ChemInsight 2013, the technical symposium of the Department of Chemical Engineering. Along with such diversified involvement, I managed to maintain a decent CGPA of 8.45. I believe that the experience gained from being involved in different events and at different levels of competition, along with holding several positions of responsibility, will be of utmost importance while executing my duties if elected as the General Secretary Sports and Games and work for the upliftment of sporting culture at IIT Kharagpur.
Okay, Shinesh, there was no coach in tennis this year. So, as the Secretary Technology Students Gymkhana, how did he ensure that the practice doesn't get hampered and the team doesn't face the brunt of not having a coach?
So there was no coach. I made personal efforts. I took the initiative of trying to get a new coach. I contacted several coaches in Calcutta. I went to Calcutta personally on 3 weekends. I managed to get a temporary coach who came just before Shaurya and helped us in the Shaurya preparation. However, due to personal reasons, he could not be made permanent.
Dinesh, can you throw some more light on the initiatives you have taken as the secretary?
So I've taken several initiatives. One of them being solving the problem of low lighting in the synthetic tennis courts. I proposed to install 8 new floodlights. I sent the proposal to the General Secretaries and the concerned PTI, and I'm proud to say that they have been installed successfully. Apart from that, I conducted the Inter-Hall event in girls for the first time. I also assisted the core team member for tennis in Shaurya in conducting the event.
Okay,
Okay, Shrinesh, are you aware of the points we secured in March Pass during the Inter-IT Sports Meet this year?
Yes, sir. We secured 4.92 points.
Let me correct you. It was 5.92. And secondly, are you aware of the minimum criteria of attendance that is required for by a contingent?
Yes, sir. We need 90% attendance. If we have attendance below 90%, we get 0 out of 4 points.
Okay. Again, let me correct you. It is 85%. And what's the attendance up to the mark this year at the Inter-IT Sports Meet of IIT Kharagpur's contingent?
So we scored 0 points in attendance.
Don't you think it's your responsibility, being a member of the Inter-IT contingent, to ensure that at least our attendance is up to the mark so that we can at least not get 0 out of 4 where we can bag almost 4?
So I would like to stress that the entire tennis team was present at the March Pass. All the 4 men's players as well as the 2 women's players.
Okay, so you're trying to say that your job ends with your tennis team and you didn't try to call any other player for the March Pass, right?
So I took personal initiative. I informed the table tennis team as well as the squash team. Both the teams are present for March Pass as well.
Okay, Shailesh, how does your involvement in social and cultural and technology events help you in your tenure as General Secretary, Sports and Games?
So I've been involved in dramatics, debate and chemical innovation. All these have helped to improve my interpersonal skills, communication skills and confidence, and also time management. All these will be very vital in performing my duties as a General Secretary, Sports and Games.
Were you aware that the scholarship for 47th Inter-IT Sports Meet hasn't been awarded yet, the Inter-IT scholarship? And why? I mean, what exactly happened there?
Ma'am, I have performed my duty as the secretary. I've given the names of all the 3 players to the General Secretary, and I think you have to contact the General Secretary regarding the issue.
You have contacted, you know what exactly happened there?
Ma'am, I've given the names and the amount will be credited to your account at the end of the semester.
Shrinesh, can you please tell me when and why was chess being scrapped from Inter-IT?
Yes, sir. Chess was scrapped in 2010, and the reason for that is it did not serve the motto of Inter-IT Meet, which is Citius, Altius, and Fortius, which means that as Inter-IT is a sports meet, we need physical activity in the events conducted. As chess does not involve physical activity, it was removed.
Shrinesh, I request you to get your facts correct. Chess was scrapped from the Inter-IT General Championship in 2011. My question is, you told me.
It was scrapped in the 2010 board meeting, sir.
Fine, but it was. See, the board meeting is conducted in the respective year, and the board meeting in 2011, it was decided that chess would not be part
Sir,
of the
I have the
event.
facts with me. I can show it to you if you want it, sir.
Do you have the minutes of the meeting, of that board meeting?
Yes, sir. I have the minutes of the meeting. I can present it to you, sir.
Okay, Shrinesh, I was attending that sports board meeting which was held at IIT Kharagpur in 47 Inter-IT, and in that board meeting in 2011, the chess was scrapped, not in 2010. Okay?
Sir, the academic session 2010 to 2011 also includes 2011, so I think I'm right, sir.
Shrinesh, that photo meeting.
Abhishek, no corrections, please.
Follow question. You have a question. Okay, do you know in which academic session the 47th sports board meeting, the first 47th sports board meeting was held? Do you know the dates or at least the month?
So 2011 to 2012.
Okay, so how can you say? Okay,
So the question was, what was the reason for chess to be scrapped?
Stop asking the dates and other details. I don't think asking all the dates is relevant to the scope.
It is highly relevant. Okay.
Please let us ask questions.
Okay, I'm just.
Sir, do you expect the General Secretary to rote learn all the facts and
complete my
figures?
question, Shrinesh. You just said that it was scrapped in the academic session 2010-2011, but I just corrected you that it was scrapped in 2011-2012. Please get your facts
Sir, I have
correct.
Abhishek,
we move on to some other question. We move on to the topic. Rather than having
Now we are supposed to make any kind of remarks to the candidate. If you have questions to ask, please ask.
rather than having the quiz on states, we can have other questions.
You may ask the question.
the General Secretary Sporting Game? Is it because as a General Secretary Sporting Game you would be in a better position to ensure more attendance in March Pass and some other events like that?
Yes, sir, as the General Secretary Sports and Games, I'll take personal initiative to ensure that there's more attendance and that the players get equipment on time, that there's regular practice and performance in the inter-ID sports meet improves.
Okay, Shrinesh, what measures are you going to take to increase the PG participation in the sports activities of IIT Kharagpur?
So I am going to include freshers tournament exclusively for PG students. Apart from that, I'll take personal initiative to spread awareness among the postgraduates by going to halls of residence which have postgraduate freshers as well as undergraduate freshers.
How will you ensure?
Shinesh, I have a question to ask since I asked some other candidate and he didn't know.
I have a follow-up question on that.
But he asked the question, right?
It's okay.
You cannot ask a follow-up question on that.
It's the same context. Shinesh, you said that you will have a separate PG participation the event for PGs, okay, for their involvement, increasing their involvement. So how will you ensure that the PG people will turn up?
As I told, I'll take personal initiative
What is
to spread the awareness. I'll personally go to the halls of residence which have postgraduate freshers as well as
Don't you think the
undergraduate.
general secretaries of that
I will, sir, please let me complete. I will personally go along with the other general secretary and with the secretaries of every subcommittee and spread awareness about the event.
Will you involve the PG representative of sports in it?
Of course, sir, the PG representative of sports will be involved in that and I will utilize his position well to spread awareness
Shinesh,
among the
don't you think the
postgraduates.
other general secretaries or the general secretaries of PG halls have not done that? To increase the participation of PG hall?
Sir, I have personally contacted postgraduate students as well as undergraduate freshers and they are of the opinion that they did not get awareness and intimation on time. So I think I'll do the duty well, sir.
Okay, Shinesh, what is the difference between the assessment criteria for awards in PG and UG? What is the difference?
So for PG students, they get 12 points for every year, but for UG students, they get 4 points, sir.
Shinesh, you mentioned that you've initiated the interhall girls this time. There was a problem with the allotting of practice slots for girls. They were not allotted this time, girls. Practice slots. Only for men's they were allotted. Why?
Ma'am, you may be aware that we had buffer slots and the girls could practice in that. Apart from that, an issue was raised in the subcommittee meeting for men's event when the General Secretary of Mother Teresa Hall of Residence raised the concern about the requirement for inter-hall event in girls. So due to a lack of sufficient time, I couldn't arrange for slots, but there was buffer slot in which the girls could come and practice.
That's it. Your follow-up question? That's it. That's the final question.
You weren't present during the men's finals of the interhalls. What about that?
Ma'am, I was present for all the 3 matches. I was present from 6 o'clock to 12 o'clock, to 2 o'clock.
We were there.
You can ask the participants. Ma'am, I was present. I was also involved in line appreciating.
Not mentioned against the panelists. There's nothing you can do. Thank you, Shrinesh. Take a seat.
Conduct Shaurya as well as the inter-hall event. And the most important point is that we'll get enough practice matches for the inter-ID teams, which will solve the main problem faced by the inter-ID teams, which is lack of sufficient practice. Associating with such recognized federations will add value to the certification of the inter-hall events. The federations and associations will help in procurement of equipment at discounted prices and may also give some additional perks such as the one offered by CAB, which is 4 side screens and 2 lawn mowers. In the last phase of inter-ID practice, which is in the month of December, we can call for state level players for individual sports, which will definitely ensure better performance in the inter-ID meet.
Richard Shagnish, Shrinesh, like you have proposed to contact different sports federation. So have you initiated any groundwork in this direction?
Yes, sir. I've contacted the different federations as a student of IIT Kharagpur and asked about the procedure to affiliate and the advantages that we can get, and I've got positive response from their side, sir.
Can you name the federations or federation, how many you have contacted, and what is the response you got from them?
So far I've just contacted Volleyball Federation of India, Bengal Tennis Association and West Bengal Table Tennis Association.
And what were their responses?
So all three of them had positive response and they were looking forward to the affiliation, sir.
Shrinesh, the document that we've received here just has the appendix in it and nothing regarding your description of your proposal. So can we have whatever you described regarding your proposal, can we have a copy of that?
In the benefits you said.
Yeah, all those things can we have?
So I just discussed the benefits. I think you can get an idea of the proposal from the copy that I provided, sir.
But if you have, you can give it.
I mean, we are not able to, that is why we are asking for it.
Sir, I think the proposal tells us about the benefits and I've mentioned the proposal, so I think you paid attention when I was
Shrinesh, can you
mentioning.
repeat the benefits for us? Shrinesh, can you repeat the benefits for me and my friend over here?
Yes, sir, I can repeat the benefits.
I think it's learned.
As the federations and associations have a lot of coaches under them, it makes the process of bringing coaches in sports in which we don't have coaches easier and quicker. The inter-IT teams can participate in state level and national level tournaments conducted by these federations, giving them the required match practice for inter-IT. In the last phase of inter-IT practice, state level players and national level players can be called from these federations just before going to inter-IT, which will definitely improve the performance in inter-IT. The provision of practice matches which are included will definitely improve the performance and coordination of the teams, as they will have the ability to handle pressure situations. The federations will send technical staff and referees for officiating Sharia and inter-hall events. The federations will help in procurement of equipment at discounted prices and may give us additional perks such as the one offered by CAB. The money saved can be used to provide better equipment to the inter-IT players and also to upgrade our train from sleeper class to third AC.
Shrinesh, it seems that you have done a lot of number crunching and preparing the budget. So, may I know, do you have procured any kind of quotations or you have done anything to justify your numbers?
Yes, sir, I have quotations for the fooding and the accommodation. And regarding the fees for the coaches, I have contacted the concerned PTI and the ex-sports officer in charge.
Shrinesh, you have said that you will contact a different sports federation for the association with Gymkhana. Can you please tell me in which games that we already have association?
So presently we already have an association in cricket, which is with Cricket Association of Bengal, and we have also succeeded in having association in basketball with West Bengal Basketball Association, and talks are going on, and most probably will be successful in football as well with Indian Football Association.
It has so happened in the past that there was associations with the federations in certain Gymkhana events. Are you aware of that?
Yes, sir. In Sharia, we had affiliation with Bengal Tennis Association for tennis, with West Bengal Squash Association for squash, which could not be conducted, and we also had association with Indian Swimming Association. This will help us, sir, as we can contact them again and we can expect a positive response from them to affiliate with the Gymkhana.
And what were the positive benefits that we achieved?
So they provided us with the trophies and medals as well as the balls for conducting the matches. This reduced our budget by a very effective manner.
This will continue that for the Gymkhana as well, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This will help to improve our budget.
Thank you.
So Shrinesh, you say that your proposal will help in ample, considerable amount to overcome with the problem of temporary coaches. So what do you think your proposal, what kind of effect it would have on the performance of inter-IT team, or how it would help the team?
So as the coaches would come at lower prices, we will be able to have coaches for most of the sports, and as lack of coaches is one of the major reasons for our inter-IT performance, which is not very good, I think the inter-IT performance will definitely improve, sir.
Shinesh, in this proposal you have given a lot of contacts of different sports. So have you contacted all of them?
Sir, I am in the process of contacting, and if elected as a General Secretary, that will be the first thing I'll be doing, and I'll be sending applications to all such associations,
Shinesh?
and I'm confident that I'll be able to affiliate with them, sir.
Shinesh, I really appreciate your effort that if you are elected, you will definitely contact, but tell me, till now, for how many sports that you have contacted?
So I've contacted for most of the sports.
Give me the number.
Sir, right now, I've got positive confirmation from 3 of the sports.
Can you please show us?
Which is, sir, it's a verbal confirmation, and
Verbal confirmation, you say how can you say the verbal confirmation?
are you authorized to take any letter? Are you authorized to take any letter from them right now? Sir, I'm not authorized, as I'm not the General Secretary presently, so I'm not authorized to send an application, sir.
This means this is the only just the contact that you have taken by surfing. You have given just show the contacts.
No, sir, I have contacted the physical training instructors, I've got the federations, I've contacted the ex-coaches.
You just said that you have got the confirmation from 3 of them and contacted only these 3, and the rest you have just given the contact. So how does it make a difference?
Sir, if elected as a General Secretary, I can assure you that I'll contact all the federations and that we'll have maximum possible affiliations.
Shinesh, I really appreciate. I'm again saying, if you are elected, Shinesh, I'm repeating the same.
Shrinesh, you are a secretary of tennis subcommittee, right?
Yes, sir.
So you mentioned that you have contacted the Bengal Tennis Association.
Yes, sir.
And your responsibility as a secretary, as mentioned, is for the tennis subcommittee. Apart from that, you have still contacted other federations, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That's it.
I have a question. Last year, when there was no availability of temporary coach, the main problem was the fees. Like, we couldn't involve it in our budget.
Ma'am, that will be solved by my proposal. As we'll be affiliated, they'll provide us the coach at lower salaries. And so we'll be able to have coaches in most of the sports.
We couldn't get it for that reason, right? We couldn't get coaches for the
We
same.
couldn't get coaches because we are not affiliated presently.
Here you have written the contact in the hockey that hockeybengal@hockeyindia.org. So you have contacted Hockey Association also? Bengal Hockey Association?
So I told you I did not contact Hockey Association yet.
So-
I've already mentioned that, sir. I contacted Volleyball Federation of India, Bengal Tennis Association, and West Bengal Table Tennis Association.
Okay, thank you, Shrinesh. May take your seat.